Alright, I'll try it for a fourth time. I don't know what's going on with my YouTube video and channel and everything. All of a sudden my videos started playing music all the way through the whole video. I only had music for the first 27 seconds and that's it. Um, I had to go through and change every one of my videos to make it stop playing that music. I don't know how long it's been doing that. Nobody mentioned anything about it. And I happened to notice it, or maybe somebody did say something. I think Jack might have said something, or no, Jack said something after. Uh, Somehow I noticed. I don't know how long it's been doing that, but I definitely talk during my videos. There's the cat. The cat purrs. I went back and fixed most of them. I'm gonna double check that. Um, so, anyways, but now I've made this video 4 times and it still stops recording. I have to start all over. So this was in the neighbor's yard, which I done pretty good today. I got a rose tag. It was pouring down rain, so I decided to keep it close. And I'd never done his front yard before. I've always done his back. And I was surprised at all the stuff that was up in his front yard. It's not very big. The yard isn't. Um, Pocket watch back. Pretty nice. I got, it says, actually in very small letters right in the middle. Right there. I don't think you're ever going to be able to see that from my. Oh, maybe. Yeah, look at that. It says Magnific Watch Company, Swiss. So it takes all the guesswork out of it. I know what it is, copper. Guess. Would have been nice to have been gold. Got a pretty cool key, very old one. Funny shaped. It actually says something on the top, but I'm not gonna mess around with it. I like this one. Got this in the front yard also. That's all I hunted was the front yard. Nice elaborate key. I'm sorry, P and F Corbin, New Britain CT, which I imagine is Connecticut, New Britain, Connecticut. Very elaborate. Yeah, it's not very long. Nice old brass key. Um, Got this giant thing, some kind of an emblem, says world on it. Mm, could say worlds, I don't know. It had looks like it had more letters up in the top, but they're gone. No idea what this is. It was very close to the house. Could have been something that kind of stands in your garden or something. Um, let's see. I got 7 wheat pennies, and the oldest was, well, it's not a key date or a semi-key date, but it's a lower mintage. It's a 1919D. It's a little lower mintage, wheatie. The best shape, but cat hair everywhere. Um, so let's see. And got a bunch of clad. You can see now a lot of this clad I got at the fairgrounds. I didn't get all this clad at in my neighbor's yard. I got that yesterday at the fairgrounds when I went. Anytime you hunt the fairgrounds, you just can't get into the ground deep enough because there's all kinds of trash, pop tops, and even coins and stuff like that. It's just your detector doesn't stop chirping. So I don't like going there. I do very rarely, but I did. I don't know why. I got a lot of clad. I wouldn't expect anything else. You can see under the cat or not. 3 quarters, 10 dimes, 2 nickels, 40 pennies. And then back to the neighbor's yard again. Got this 1907 Indian head. Happy with that. I would have been okay not getting silver. Just so if I'm getting Indian heads, I'm okay. But I'll go ahead and take a silver. Sorry about the dirty nails. 1960. The silver Rosie. Poor man silver. I'll take it. And cat's purring away. She likes to be in my way. So I guess that's about it. I think I've shown everything. Hate it when I gotta make 4 or 5 videos. I get lost in what I already showed you and what I didn't. So I fixed my old videos. I got my voice back on them. I don't know what happened with the music thing. So if you want to check those out, again, I actually talk about what I got. And I guess, oops, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.